The story is about Sean the sheep movie Timmy in the city. It's an ordinary day on the farm for Timmy and the frog. Bath time, snack time, hearing time. Then Sean has an idea. The frog will trick the farmer into the taking a nap. Then they'll have a day off. What fun, Timmy and others. Watch movies in the farmer's home, where Mr. finds out the party is over. The day off, have a day off. But Sean has another idea. They'll spend a day in the city. It will be fun. But the sheep will have to be careful not to get caught. The sheeps. The flock tries very hard to fit in. Timmy does his best. The city is very different from the farm. The horses are really strange. So are the dogs. The food is tasty and there's plenty of it. Some things are the same. So you forget share too. It's cold at night in the city. Timmy misses the warm bomb. The city was fun.